we will be starting with the big four subjects: history, geography, polity, economy. Both for preliminary and mains examination. You are saying कि June से October तक this is what we are doing. We will make you prepare for both prelims and mains of history, geography, polity and economy. Every week you'll have assignments. जैसे मान लो Monday, Tuesday को you have some reading assignments of the basics of Harappan civilization. उसी का Friday, Saturday you will have mains assignments, making sure that you are preparing both the fundamental concepts, both the you are preparing for objective paper as well as you are preparing for subjective paper. और जो आपने पूरे वीक पढ़ा है Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday for prelims as well as for mains, this we will do again on Sunday through test. Sunday को आपके objective as well as subjective tests होंगे. For everything that will give you an assignment, we are not asking you to follow our source. आपके पास कोई well defined source है, आप उसे follow करो, चलेगा. But if you don't have any source, we will be uploading notes and videos for everything that we are giving you in the form of assignments. तो आपको ये भी चिंता नहीं करनी है कहां से पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, नहीं हम सब देंगे. पर आपको लगता है कि आपने ऑलरेडी उन चीजों को अच्छे से पढ़ लिया, उसे ही रिवाइज करो. And come back to us with your answers, come back to us with your assignments, come back to us with your target completions कि सर ये चीजें मेरी हो गई, ये मैंने कर लिया. तो in these June, July, August, September and till mid of October will be like done with these subjects both for prelims and mains. You would have written all the PYQs related to this. हम आपको वर्कबुक प्रोवाइड करेंगे फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट डे एंड इन दोज वर्कबुक देयर विल बी देयर विल बी क्वेश्चंस गिवन, PYQs गिवन फ्रॉम द टॉपिक्स that you are covering in classes, and you will be able to practice them. Other than all this, other than tests, PYQs, the classes that you'll have access to will also have current affairs classes. So every Saturday, Sunday, you'll also have current affairs classes. Any update, anything new that's happening in the news, we will keep doing it. And ye current affairs classes you will see is going on till your mains examination. Starting June 2026 till August 2027, these current affairs classes would continue. So once this fundamental part is done, history, geography, polity, economy, both for prelims and mains are thoroughly done. October, November, December will be the period for targeted mains coverage. यहाँ पे ना जो main specific subjects है, कौन से? Society, social justice, governance, IR, internal security, disaster management, ethics, essay. We will focus on those areas. यहाँ पे आपके tests भी primarily mains के रह जाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी हम mains के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, तो we'll emphasize more on mains examination. Your current affairs classes will continue as it is. In this phase also, every day you will have assignments. Assignments will be mostly for mains. Every day you will have assignments. You have to complete that. You have to update your mentor for that. Every Sunday you will have test, subjective test, making sure after writing test you sit with your mentor, you discuss your performance, or at least after the paper gets evaluated, you discuss your performance and take it ahead. फिर अपना आएगा once by this mechanism, by end of December, आपका मेंस का प्रिपरेशन पूरा हो चुका होगा. बेसिक्स, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी प्लस all other main subjects will be done. You would have written all the PYQs, you would have done a lot of tests on weekends, and thus would feel like हाँ mains is done. आपने यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी का प्री पढ़ लिया है, यहाँ पे will make you revise that as well as साइंस और एनवायरमेंट भी खत्म करेंगे. Plus, as usual, your current affairs classes are going to continue. Any update in history, geography, polity, economy, any update in your prelims preparation would be happening here. You'll also have access to CSAT classes. In fact, जिन बच्चों का CSAT week होगा, हम उनको पहले भी option देंगे, अक्टूबर में भी option देंगे. They can do their CSAT starting October only. जिन बच्चों को लगता है कि नहीं, my CSAT is good enough, उनके लिए CSAT हम जनवरी से करवा देंगे. CSAT is also part of this program. This phase, January to May, is rigorous preliminary examination phase. Prelims ना बहुत ही random होता जा रहा है. We'll all have to put in a lot of efforts for it. And in these 4 months, May में तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, May में आप revision करते हो. In these 4 months, we'll ensure that whatever you had studied here for prelims, you have revised it properly. Anything new which is needed, things like science, environment, and international bodies, etc., would be thoroughly done here. We'll make sure that you are fully prepared here. we run what is known as daily MCQ practice, जिसमें every day you will be made to solve 50 MCQs. Sunday को फिर पूरे वीक में जो पढ़ा है उसका टेस्ट होगा. इस तरह से will keep you engaged throughout these 4 months, will force you to practice again and again, to revise again and again. And after this would come the last phase. देखो आपका मेंस का प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है पूरा, आपको ना अब क्लासेस कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस करंट अफेयर्स क्लासेस चलेंगी यहाँ पे. At the same time, you'll have mains test series. Every Sunday, you'll write a GS test or an essay test, or sometimes both GS and essay. You will sit with your mentor, you will discuss your performance, you will see the syllabus for the next test. In this way, you will complete your mains test series with GS and essay here. Before you go for your mains examination, देखो you kept on doing mains test series here also. जून से दिसंबर तक भी आपने हर संडे को मेंस किया है, आपने अपना मेंस का सिलेबस पूरा कंप्लीट कर लिया है. यहाँ पे you have completed your main syllabus in these 2 phases. We will help you revise, update, value add, and again do the entire mains test series in this phase. You'll go and write your mains examination, and I assure you, after your mains examination, you'll feel like there was nothing in the paper which you had not prepared. ये है मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम कि यार give your headache of preparing for civil services to someone else, you just follow a path.